Hello dear students of class 5. This is Nazia Altaf, your mathematics teacher. Hope you all are healthy and fine. Today our topic is BODMAS rule. Order of operations BODMAS rule. The rule of BODMAS is formed to help us in remembering the order of preferences of mathematical operations. BODMAS rule. In the BODMAS rule, BODMAS, B stands for brackets, solve within the brackets first. O stands for of, that means to multiply. D stands for division or to divide. M stands for multiply. A is for addition and S is for subtraction. Now this is your first example. Solve by using BODMAS rule. 135 divide 15 plus 6 minus 5 multiply 2. We have to apply BODMAS rule on this sum. First of all, you will write the solution. Copy the statement of the sum. 135 divide 15 plus 6 minus 5 multiply by 2. As you all know that in the BODMAS rule, first letter is B, so we have to solve bracket. Is there any bracket in the sum? No, there is no bracket in the sum, so we will skip this letter and come to the next step. O stands for of. Of means to multiply. Is there any of written over here? No, there is no of written over here, so we will skip this step again and we go to the next letter, that is D. D stands for division. Is there any division? Yes, there is division. 135 divided by 15. So we will do this step first, then we will solve the multiplication, then addition and then subtraction. So first of all, 135 divided by 15. 135 is divided by 15 is equal to 9. You will solve this part in the rough section by applying BODMAS rule. Now B and O, we have skipped these two letters because we don't have bracket and of operation, so we will start from the D, so that becomes the BODMAS rule, not BODMAS rule. By applying BODMAS rule, we first perform division. 135 divided by 15, we get 9. So put the 9 over here and rest of the numbers and the operations will be written in the same way. Copy the rest of the numbers and the operations. So here 9 plus 6 minus 5 and multiply by 2. After applying division, we get this 9 plus 6 minus 5 multiply by 2. Now what we have to do? We have to jump to the next step. That one is M. M stands for to multiply. Now we have to multiply. Where is the multiplication? Multiplication is in between 5 and 2. 5 multiplied by 2, we get 10. Now perform multiplication. 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 10. Students, you have to write all the steps of the BODMAS rule. When you are solving the sum, you have to write in the same way as I have written. Now 5 multiplied by 2, that is equal to 10. We get 10 over here. 9 plus 6 minus this will be copied from the upper value. So now 9 plus 6 minus 10. Here after M we get A. A is for addition. Where is the addition in the sum? Here in between 9 and 6 there is addition. 9 plus 6 we get 15. Now perform the addition, that is 9 plus 6, that is equal to 15. So we get 15 from here and minus 10. In the last there is S. S stands for subtraction. So we will subtract from 15, we will subtract 10, then we get 5. This is your answer. Exercise number 1.7, page number 19. This is question number 8. Solve 7 plus bracket 15 divided by 3 plus 5 bracket close multiply 4 minus 20. Here we have bracket. Now we have to solve this sum by using the BODMAS rule. As you know that in the BODMAS rule starts from brackets B. So first we have to solve the bracket. But if, remember one thing, if there are more than one operation inside the bracket, then you have to solve the operations inside the bracket according to the BODMAS rule. Now inside the bracket we see that there are two operations, division and addition. So according to BODMAS rule, divisions comes first, then addition. So we will divide 15 divided by 3. When you divide 15 by 3, we get 5, because 3 5s are 15. So we get 5 over here, and then plus 5 we copy it from the upper value. The bracket is still closed because we have not solved all these operations at a time. We will solve step by step. So first we solve 15 divided by 3, then we will solve 5 plus 5. If one operation is left inside the bracket, then the bracket can be opened by applying the operation of that last one. So now we get 5 plus 5. Now 5 plus 5 we have to perform the division inside the bracket, then we have to open the bracket. Now we have to remove this bracket by applying 5 plus 5. Now we get 5 plus 5, we get 10. Then 7 plus and multiply by 4 minus 20, that is copied from the above value. In the same way, 7 plus and then we solve the bracket 10, and this value multiply 4 and minus 20 will be copied from the above value. Now 7 plus 10 multiply 4 minus 20. In the BODMAS rule, after solving bracket we get O, that is operation of operation, and then division. There is no off operation, there is no division, so we jump to the M, that is the multiplication. Here is the multiplication. 10 multiplied by 4, we get 40. 10 4s are 40. We get 40 over here. This is the performance of the multiplication. We have performed multiplication. Now we have three values, 7 plus 40 minus 20. Here is addition and subtraction. What comes first, addition or subtraction? In the BODMAS rule, addition comes first, and in the last there come subtraction. So addition is between 7 and 40. So 40 plus 7, then we get 47, and after that we will copy minus 20. Now we have performed addition. In the last we have to perform the subtraction operation. 47 minus 20, when we subtract 20 from the 47, we get 27, and this is your answer. All these steps are written side by side because we are performing all these operations, so we have to write them side by side. Then you get the exact marks. Okay, next, same exercise 1.7, page number 19. This is question number 11. Now 5 multiply, inside the bracket there is 15 minus 10 bracket close minus 20 of 3 divide 4. 20 of 3 divided by 4. Now here we have almost all the operations. BODMAS rule. First of all, we have to remove the bracket, because in the BODMAS rule first we have to remove the bracket, we have to solve the bracket, then comes the off operation. Here is the off operation. Then we will divide, then multiplication, and then addition and subtraction. So first of all, open the bracket. Inside the bracket there is 15 minus 10. Solve this. 15 minus 10, you get 5. We get 5, and automatically the bracket is opened. Now 5 multiplied by 5 minus, copy all the above statement, 20 of 3 divided by 4. This is copied from the above sum. Now we have removed the bracket. next operation is the OF operation, and you all know that OF means to multiply. So we will replace this OF by multiply sign. We will remove this OF by multiply sign. Okay, we have 5 multiplied by 5 minus 20 of 3, that means 20 multiplied by 3 divided by 4. Now what we have to do, there are two multiplication signs, but keep it in mind that this is the OF operation. That is not OF operation, that is multiplication, but this was the OF operation. So we have to solve it first. 20 multiplied by 3, that means 20 of 3, that is 23s are 60. Write the answer of this and copy the rest of part. Now 5 multiplied 5 minus 60 divided by 4. After OF operation we get division, D mass rule. So we will solve the division part, that is 60 divided by 4. When we divide 60 by 4 we get 15, because 15 fours are 60. Now 5 multiplied by 5 will be written in the same way. We will copy it from the above value, then divide it 60 by 4, we get 15. Now this is the performance of this here we have performed the division. Now we have to multiply. 5 multiplied by 5 we get 25, then minus 15. Now we perform multiplication, and 5 multiplied by 5 we get 25. 25 minus 15, this is the last operation. Here in this sum there was no addition, so we will skip that step and we just go to the subtraction, that is 25 minus 15, and we get 10. That is the answer. That was the last operation. Same exercise 1.7, page number 19. There is sum 14. Solve 5 plus, inside the bracket there is 42 plus 7 of 2 minus 2 bracket close multiply by 8. Write the solution. The method of solving all the sums is same, so you have to follow the steps. Equal to 5, we have to solve the operation inside the bracket first, then we will open the bracket. As I have told you earlier that if there are more than one operation inside the bracket, then solve the operations inside the bracket by applying BODMAS rule. So first we have to solve the operations inside the bracket. Now you can see over here there is 42 plus 7 of 2, 7 of 2. So first of all we will solve this OF operation. As you know that we replace OF by multiplication sign. So 7 multiplied by 2 or 7 of 2, that means 7 multiplied by 2. 7 2s are 14. So we have performed the operation of inside the bracket. First we have to perform the operation of inside the bracket. So we get 14 over here, 42, we copy 42 over here, minus 2 is also copied, but 7 multiplied by 2 we get 14. Now we have two operations left inside the bracket, but now as there are two operations, so we will solve this one, addition inside the bracket. First we will solve this part, and then there will be just one operation left inside the bracket, then we will open the bracket. Okay, 42 plus 14, 42 plus 14. First of all you have to write, copy the above sum, equal to sign, 5 plus, this is 42 plus 14 minus 2 bracket multiply by 8. Now we have to solve this. 42 plus 14 we get 56. 42 plus 14 we get 56 minus 2 inside the bracket. Copy the rest of part. Copy the rest of part. Okay. Now is equal to sign 5 plus. Now we have to remove the bracket as we did addition. Then now we have to remove the bracket. To remove the bracket we have to apply the subtraction. 56 minus 2. 56. When we subtract 2 from 56 we get 54. That is quite easy. So now our bracket is opened. 5 plus 54, and this is the same number which is coming from the above value, multiply by 8. Now our BODMAS rule, we have solved up to b bracket. Now we get three values, 5 plus 54 multiply by 8. Now here we do not have off operation, no division, but we will do multiplication. M for multiplication. 54 multiply by 8. When we multiply 54 by 8, as you know that 54, the table of 54 is not easy to learn. So what you have to do, you have to write 54 on the rough side and multiply it by 8, and we get 432. When you solve it, we get 432. Now 5 plus 432, this is the last operation, and in the last we will add these two values. There is addition sign, so we will add these two values, that is 5 plus 432, and we get 437. This is the answer. Here I want to tell you one thing. From the first sum, there is equal sign. When you solve these sums, we write equal sign before writing the values. Every time you have to write the equal sign. Every time you have to write the equal sign in all these sums. You can see over here 11th sum. In the same way you have to write the equal sign. If you don't put the equal sign, then it means your marks will be deducted. Okay class. Okay students, now here's the activity. Solve by using BODMAS rule. Here is 213 minus 123 inside the bracket plus 60 multiplied by 5 minus 64 divided by 8. Again there is a bracket. So first of all we have to solve this bracket, and then we will open this bracket. 90 plus 60, 213 minus 123. When we subtract 123 from 213, we get 90. And from here we write plus 60 multiply by 5 minus, copy the bracket from above value, 64 divided by 8. Now we have to open this bracket. Copy this value, 90 plus 60 multiply by 5. Now solve this. 64 divided by 8. 8 8s are 64. So we get 8 from here, and bracket is opened. Now we have 90 plus 60 multiplied by 5 minus 8. Okay, copy the same value. There are three operations: addition, multiplication and subtraction. So first we have to solve the multiplication, mass, M-A-S. So we have to multiply, then we will add and then subtract. So 90 plus 60 multiplied by 5, we get 300. 6 5s are 30 and 0. So this is 300 and minus 8. Now this is 90 plus 300 minus 8. We have to add these two values. 90 plus 300, we get 390, then minus 8. When you subtract 8 from 390, you get 382. This was the activity. The sum is solved by myself, but you have to write the steps. What are the steps we followed? I did not write any of the steps from when I was solving this sum. So you have to write the steps, which steps we used, whether we use solve brackets first, off operation, division, multiplication or addition or subtraction. You have to write the steps step by step. That is quite easy. You can if you feel any difficulty, follow the previous examples of the sums. Now this is the home task. Exercise number 1.7, page number 19. Same exercise. I have solved 3 to 4 sums from the exercise. From this exercise you have to solve sum 1, 3, 5, 12 and 15 in your copy, mathematics copy. Students, that was all about the BoardMaths rule. You have to solve all the previous homework, all the previous exercises and sums in your mathematics copy, and when you come to school you have to bring that homework with you. We will check them and marks will be given to you according to your homework and the activities which we have given in the home task. Okay, God bless you all. Thank you so much. You listen to me carefully. See you later.